Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about some more short forms. As I have told you in the previous video that we will discuss about some short forms in the next video. So today this is the second video and this is the class second. And if you have not seen the first class and the first video of the short form, that will come on the end screen. From there you can watch. And if you have not subscribed our channel till yet, please subscribe the channel, share the video and like the video. So as you can see here, first is we will. What is first? We will. So how you can say we will in a fast English term or in a short form? You can say like will, okay, will. Second is want to. What is second? Want to. So instead of want to in the fast English and in the short form you can use wanna. What you can use? You can use wanna. Third is have to. What is third? Have to. So instead of have to you can use hafta. Not hafta, it's like hafta. Okay. Fourth is going to. What is fourth? Going to. So instead of going to you can use gonna. What you can use? Gonna. Fifth is do not. What is fifth? Do not. So instead of do not you can use don't. What you can use? You can use don't. These words are for those who are learning the basic English. Okay, as we all know, in the advanced English and the advanced English speakers, they know do not is known as don't in the fast English. Does not means does not, you can say instead of does not, doesn't. Seventh is will not. So instead of will not you can use want. What you can use? Want. So here eighth is not. What is eighth? Is not. So instead of is not you can use isn't. Ninth is are not. So instead of are not you can use aren't. What you can use? You can use aren't. 10th is here was not. So instead of was not you can use wasn't. What you can use? Wasn't. 11th is here were not. What is 11th? Were not. So instead of were not you can use weren't. What you can use? You can use weren't. 12th is have not. So instead of have not you can use haven't. 13 is cannot. And you can use instead of cannot can't or can't. In the American English accent you can use can't, and in the British English accent you can use can't. If I am wrong you can correct me through the comment box. Okay, so now we will use them in the sentences. So if you are saying that for example we will go to Goa. So what is this? We will. So instead of we will you can use we'll go to Goa. What you can use? You can use we'll go to Goa. Next is second is want to. So instead of want to we know that we will use wanna. So for example I want to be a doctor or engineer or something else. So you can use I wanna be a doctor, engineer, IAS officer, etc. Okay. Third is have to. So have to you can use hafta. So you have to do this. You have to do this. You have to do this. Fourth is going to. I'm going to mad. I'm going to mad on you. I'm gonna mad on you. Fifth is do not. So do not, instead of do not you can use don't. So do not touch my books. So don't touch my books. Okay. Sixth is does not. You does not use your mind. You does not use your mind. You doesn't use your mind. Seventh is will not. Want. I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you. So instead of I will not you can use I won't forgive you. Okay, I won't forgive you. Eighth is not. So is not your. So instead of is not even isn't yours. So ninth is are not. So you can say I know you are not busy. So instead of I know you are not, you can use I know you aren't busy. You aren't busy. 10th is was not, wasn't. I know you was not busy. Okay, I know you was not busy. So instead of was not, you can use I know you wasn't busy. 11th is were not. So instead of were not, you can use weren't. So you can say that yesterday weren't you there? Were not you there? So instead of were not, you can use yesterday weren't you there? 12th is have not. I have not messed up the room. So instead of have not, you can use I haven't messed up the room. 13 is cannot. You cannot do this. You are not able to do this. You cannot do this. So instead of you cannot, you can say you can't do this. I hope you have understand all these meanings, and I hope that you also understand the sentences which we have used these words. And if you have not subscribed our channel till yet, please subscribe the channel and being a member of the Language Hub, and share the channel, like the video and share the video, and comment me if you have any kind of query and complaints. Thank you so much.